Hello kids. Let's learn shapes name and color name. These are our colors and these are our shapes. These are our shapes and these are our colors. Our colors. These are our colors. Kids, which color it is? Yellow color. It is violet color. Kids, which color? Violet color. Purple color. Kids, which color? Purple color. Blue color. Kids, which color it is? Blue color. Red color. Kids, which color it is? Red color. Green color. Kids, which color it is? Green color. Let us draw these shapes. It is sun. Kids, which shape it is? It is sun. Which shape it is? It is sun. It is sun. It is oval. Kids, which shape it is? It is oval. It is rectangle. It is rectangle. Kids, which shape it is? It is rectangle. It is striped arrow. Striped right arrow. It is striped right arrow. Kids, which shape it is? It is striped right arrow. It is equilateral triangle. Kids, which shape it is? Equilateral triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. It is wave. Kids, which shape it is? It is wave. Kids, which shape it is? It is wave. Let us color these shapes. This is yellow color. Kids, which color it is? It is yellow color. Kids, which shape it is? It is sun. This shape is sun. This is green color. Kids, which color it is? It is green color. What is the shape? Oval. This shape is oval and the color is green. Kids, which shape it is? It is oval and the color is green. This is violet color. Kids, which color it is? Violet color. And what is the shape? Kids, what is the shape? It is rectangle. It has 4 sides. It is a 2D shape. It is purple color. Kids, which color it is? Purple color. Which shape it is, kids? It is striped right arrow. It is striped right arrow. Blue color. Kids, which color it is? Blue color. ये कौन सा शेप है बच्चों? Which shape it is? It is equilateral triangle. Which shape it is? Equilateral triangle. It is red color. Kids, which color it is? Red color. And what is the shape, kids? What is the shape? It is wave. It is wave. Kids, let's recall the shapes and color name once again. This is sun, yellow color, oval, green color, rectangle, violet color, striped right arrow, purple color, equilateral triangle, blue color, wave, red color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.